Only on 5 this morning, words of caution from a gunshot survivor. She's calling on gun owners just being aware of what's beyond their gun barrel. Back in January, an Indiantown mother was hit by a stray bullet. According to deputies, she was struck after shooters missed a backyard berm. The victim is the daughter-in-law of one of our WPTV colleagues. Now she's filing suit as her recovery moves forward. WPTV's Megan McRoberts has the story.
More than 5 months after being shot.
Still a lot of pain, still a lot of limitations.
Heather Sitton still has a long recovery. A bullet damaging the bones and muscles around her collarbone and shoulders, making day-to-day tasks tough, like just picking up her children.
In the moment, I was thankful that I was still alert. I had some hope, even though I really thought that was it for me.
In January, Sitton was outside with her many animals and her kids. They heard gunshots, which out in Indiantown, she says is common, but she says that day they sounded too close.
It was alarming, and we didn't quite know what was going on.
Turns out investigators say they were coming from a property just a few hundred yards away.
I think my words were, "Oh man, I've been shot." Like, I just knew immediately I was shot.
Oh my gosh! They just shot my wife!
Her husband, among those who called 911 after a bullet aimed at a target, missed the mark.
Put the guns down!
Forever changing how safe this family now feels in their own backyard.
My children are often fearful.
You're responsible for every bullet that leaves that gun.
Sitton hired attorneys Danielle, Sherriff, and Gary Lesser. Just last week, she filed suit against America's Underground Construction and Farming LLC, which the Indiantown property is listed under. She's suing the owners, 4 people who were shooting that day, along with the gun owners. Investigators say they were shooting anything from handguns to rifles and semi-automatic AR-15s and AK-47s.
Those bullets can fly over a mile, sometimes over 2 miles.
State law says it is legal to have a backyard shooting area, but law enforcement says reasonable measures need to be taken to make sure you know what's beyond your property in the direction you're shooting. A berm or block should be put up high enough to prevent stray bullets. The attorneys say this dirt berm was about 5 feet high.
To shoot at a target near a boundary of another homeowner, regardless of the size of the lot, is extremely irresponsible.
We tried to talk to the owners of the Indiantown property at their home. They did not want to make a comment. We also called the other 6 men listed on the suits, but they also didn't want to comment or have not returned our calls.
Gun ownership is a huge responsibility. It needs to be a safe responsibility.
Heather hoping her lawsuit and story serves as that safety reminder. Investigators with Martin County Sheriff's Office say they did not pursue criminal charges in this case because of it being accidental in nature. In Martin County, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.